Welcome to this new video on the land. Things are progressing very well, and as you can see, the garden is growing amazing. But what if a garden is not only a place to grow food, but also to grow life? I just acquired this land and it's currently totally off-grid. No electricity, a collapsing room, but lots of dreams and potential. In the last episode, we discovered a natural water source, and I worked so hard to build all the garden beds, and honestly, it's growing so beautifully. A big missing piece right now is an area in which I can rest, so let's do it. In permaculture principles, human well-being is part of the ecosystem too. So we need a space where basically nature, people, rest, beauty and also productivity all coexist together. So today we are building this outdoor living space right in the middle of the garden, and by the end of this video you will see it transform into something beautiful. This is fully off-grid, but in style. Let's go! If you want to stay connected to nature long term, we need to integrate in the garden design this space to feel peaceful, inspired and alive. A place to enjoy the land we're working so hard to regenerate. So we started thinking about where our place is next to the plants. This area, about 68 square meters, had been sitting here the whole time, almost invisible and honestly completely abandoned for a long time. 4 trees, 3 carob trees and 1 old olive tree. They create this beautiful and natural canopy that keeps the space in shade for most of the day. And in Sicily in summer, that is everything. But it was wild, roots everywhere, uneven ground, so many stones. Clearly not a space you'd like to chill in, so we decided to change that. The first step was clearing. We spent hours, many hours, and with the help of my partner Eunice and our friend Catherine, removing roots, leveling the ground, understanding what the space wanted to be. Once the area was cleared, we dug down about 5 centimeters across the whole surface. That's not deep, but it's enough to create a content layer that holds your covering material in place, stops it migrating into the garden beds, and gives the whole terrace a clean, intentional edge. 5 centimeters, 68 square meters, done by hand. Trust me, that's a lot of wheelbarrow trips. Now, the trees. When you're building around existing trees, you have to respect their root systems. We used the large stones we found all over the land. There is no shortage of stones here if you watched any previous episode. And we built natural borders around each trunk. It looks beautiful and honestly, it's just the right thing to do to keep an open soil around the trunk. Then it was time to roll out geotextile across the entire surface. It makes the whole area more stable, it lets water pass to the roots below, and it blocks weeds from pushing up. So honestly, one layer doing 3 essential jobs. And then the pebbles. We went with white, bright Sicilian white, because it reflects light, it stays cool underfoot, it keeps weeds down, and it makes the whole space feel intentional, clean, like it was always meant to be here. But of course, the truck could not unload it in the middle, otherwise it's too easy, right? So yeah, no choice. As a family, we had to take our buckets, shovels, and let's go. And our little one helped us, and honestly, it was so cute to see. We moved by hand 5 cubic meters of pebbles. I don't know if you realize what 5 cubic meters of pebbles is, but yeah, it's a lot. I could not count the number of buckets we carried, but it was hundreds of them. And trust me, after that, you have a true summer body. And the last task, which was clearly the easiest one, was to use a rake to distribute evenly all this amount of pebbles to create a homogeneous space. Woo! Look at that, là. We are almost done after 10,000 travels with buckets. We're seeing finally the soil. We're nearly to the end. Woo! Let's go. And now let's make the border with this beautiful material in cotton. We place these borders to delimitate the outdoor space. And it also helps, of course, to contain and hold all the pebbles. And I really love the color. It's such like a raw material. It makes just a good match with the color of the soil, but also a beautiful contrast with the bright white Sicilian pebbles. We created some little trenches to actually put the borders in it, and we reuse stones to stabilize it. And now it's time for planting. This space is also about activating our 5 senses. What's best than Mediterranean aromatic herbs which can spread an amazing summer scent? Some beautiful lavender. Wish you could smell that. So nice. And some beautiful rosemary that I will plant next to the carob tree. And it's actually rosemary that will cover the ground. So yeah, in a few months or years, it will be absolutely beautiful. The planting is done, and basically our outdoor chilling area is surrounded by these herbs. Lavender, sage and rosemary. What a perfect mix for a perfect place. Woohoo! That's a lot of work, but wow, look at this. So beautiful. Like this whole area with these beautiful trees, 3 carob trees, the olive tree. It's the perfect living space, like just to rest, to chill, to be inspired, and yeah, to just have some rest, because on a 12-hectare land, like there is always so much work. So it's super important to have this place, like where we can yeah, just chill, just breathe. And what I love is, like, of course, we made like this terrace under the carob trees. I call it the natural air conditioner because it's really crazy the difference when you're like in full sun like this and you just put yourself in the shade under the carob tree. You really feel like a huge difference in the temperature. Like, it's much more fresh, and I think there is no scientific proof around that, but I don't care. It's just the feeling that I have, like, when it's so fresh. So yeah, now that the space is ready, we're still off grid, but it's time to make it with style. So let's do it with style, and let's make this space and let's transform it into a real chilling area. Let's go. We didn't just want this terrace to be functional. We wanted it to feel like a real space. A space where you actually want to spend time and to chill. Where you might forget, just for a moment, that there is a whole garden and a 12-hectare land waiting for you. Woohoo! I'm done for the day. I stay here.
No. There's more.
Andiamo. Set up this lounge area under the carob trees. The fabric is outdoor grade, UV resistant, easy to clean. You can actually leave it out. It's low maintenance, and that matters a lot here. On a working piece of land, you don't have time to be moving furniture inside every time clouds appear. So everything needs to earn its place in harmony with nature. And for the dining area, we went with a table and chairs that can handle the Sicilian sun without losing their color or their texture. We love the aesthetic. It's clean, modern, and also it's a beautiful contrast to the rough and raw surroundings. Wow! Woo! Ah, the chilling area with view on the garden. Ah, just perfect. Ah.
Now I'm hungry.
Me too. I think we have food here. And that contrast, the precision of the furniture against the wildness of the land, is exactly what we were looking for. Off-grid, but in style. And guess what? For lunch or dinner, the garden is just a few steps away. You simply have to take your basket and harvest some beautiful vegetables, fruits, and aromatic herbs. Yeah, it's just like nutrients-dense food full of good vibration available for you next to this beautiful outdoor chilling space. It's so beautiful. Look at this living space now. Really like in the middle of the garden, like where you can basically harvest like some fresh greens and then come here and just chill, reflect. Yeah, I'm so happy. We work so hard to make this happen, and I think that I enjoy it even more. Like because I work so hard, I enjoy it even more right now. And I think that's really the beauty also of a land, is that there is a lot of work, but there is like so much joy that can come from your work, and I think that's beautiful. And for sure, this space is now a living space, but it's not finished in a way. And I think that, yeah, on the land of 12 hectares, like nothing will ever be truly finished, you know, because this carob tree will continue to be this carob tree and evolve. The lavender will grow, the rosemary will spread, the lettuce and the spinach and this beautiful nasturtium will grow, and then I will harvest it. Like, it's always a cycle, you know, but I think, yeah, even if nothing will be ever finished, something that I truly enjoy is like the moment right now, and it's just such a beautiful moment. And yeah, I'm so blessed and grateful to have the possibility to have this moment right now in the middle of nature. And yeah, that was important for me to share that with you, because you always see me in the videos like digging and doing a lot of stuff, and I receive some messages from you guys like saying to me like, hey, you need to chill. Yeah, that's exactly why I created this space now, and this is the chill area. We will make it evolve, but I think not for now. I think it's good enough for now. So yeah, and yeah, I will enjoy some fresh greens tonight. Thank you so much for watching. I really enjoyed sharing with you this whole new episode, and this time it was not about planting and gardening. It was more in a way about having a living space in the center of your garden, which is extremely important. And also to share that, yeah, it's not because, you know, you're fully off-grid that you cannot also make it with style, and I think this is what we try to do here. So for sure, leave me a comment. Would love to hear your thoughts about what you think about this space, what I should have done differently, or what I should do in the near future to even have a beautiful, more beautiful place, if it's possible. I feel it's already so beautiful like this, but yeah, looking forward to hearing your suggestion. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, to follow the next episode. The next episode will be really cool. I have so many stuff to share with you, and yeah, I'm already excited. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and thanks so much for your support. And as usual, green love to you. Ciao, ciao.